Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to verify your TaskRabbit worker account quickly and efficiently so you can start earning without delay. Verifying your TaskRabbit worker account is a critical first step to start taking on tasks and building your reputation. Here's how you can do it smoothly and professionally. First, after you sign up and complete your profile, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This involves submitting government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure your ID is valid and clearly visible when you scan or photograph it. Next, TaskRabbit requires a background check to ensure safety and trust within the community. You'll be asked to provide personal information necessary for this check. Be honest and thorough in this step, as it can take a few days to process. In parallel, you will need to set up your payment method to get paid for your work. Connect your bank account details accurately to avoid any payment delays. Don't forget to complete your profile by adding relevant skills, a professional photo, and any certifications you may have. This boosts your credibility and attracts more clients. Once your identification is verified and your background check clears, TaskRabbit will send you a confirmation email. At this point, your account is officially verified and ready to accept tasks. Remember to check your notifications regularly for any additional verification requests or client messages. Following these steps carefully will help you start offering your services on TaskRabbit confidently and without unwanted pauses. Finally, keep your profile updated and maintain good communication with clients to grow your presence on the platform. Thank you for watching this detailed walkthrough on verifying your TaskRabbit worker account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. Staying verified is the gateway to success in the task economy.